Hi, thanks for joining me today on this tour of one of Georgetown Manor's newly renovated second-floor apartments in South Williamsport, PA. Today we're visiting a 2-bed apartment at 360 Girio Terrace. Here we have a picture of the back balcony where stairs will lead you down to the main parking lot. Coming in through the back door, we have this hallway that leads to the spacious living room area. This unit is 950 square feet total. Here's the in-unit laundry room, which is definitely a perk to have a washer and dryer right in your living space. These are supplied and serviced by our on-site maintenance team. Now let's check out the eat-in kitchen. There's a pantry on the left for additional storage, and the flooring and light fixture is brand new in here. The appliances you see here are also included with the apartment. Heading back into the living room, we'll show you the front entrance to the apartment next. Notice the new carpeting in this hall? All of the flooring in this home is brand new. Here we have the fully renovated bathroom, complete with extra wide vanity, built-in medicine cabinet / mirror, and modern light fixtures. There's a linen closet right next to the bathroom for extra storage space. Let's move into the master bedroom. This room is about 140 square feet with a large walk-in closet. This is the other bedroom, just a little smaller at about 100 square feet. There's a closet in this room as well. Here's another view of the balconies from the back of the building. Thanks so much for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you would like to join our community, please visit us at georgetownmanorpa.com or view the information in the description box below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. If you want to tour more of our apartments, please check out the playlist on the bottom right. We hope you decide to make Georgetown Manor your home.